guys, welcome back to our Alberta farm. Today we're baling hay at a customer's place with our 567 John Deere. And today I would like to do a little tutorial on how to bale with a John Deere round baler. So let's jump right into this video. Soon enough, you guys will know how to run a John Deere round baler. Here is the baler monitor. You can see that there is a little baler symbol in the top left and a graph in the middle with 2 bars on it. There's some numbers in the bottom right which will show you how big your bale is, and if you push the 1, 2, 3 button there, it will show you how many bales you have since you last zeroed the counter. And then if you press that again while the bale count is still showing, it'll show you the total bales on the monitor or the baler. The concept of baling is to fill up one side and then fill up the other and keep on repeating that until the baler is full, and then by the end of the bale you should have them pretty much even. You can see there underneath the baler symbol telling me my bale is almost full. That's because it is almost full. When that number gets to 67, that means I need to stop and rev it up to 1500 RPM. Not all people use 1500 or they even rev it up, but that's just how we bale. With the settings we use, we set it so that you rev it up to 1500 RPM to wrap a bale. Now it's telling me to eject the bale there, you can see. And those symbols are pretty much self-explanatory because it says it right beside it. Some balers, the kicker is broken. That means that you need to back up before you can dump the bale, so that you can be able to get back up to the swath and close your end gate so you don't lose any hay. I'm baling with a 4450 John Deere tractor and a 567 round baler. I'm baling hay. This baler has net wrap, and when we can, we use it. I preferably like net wrap because it takes about 10 to 20 seconds to wrap, and twine takes about a minute to 2 minutes to wrap. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time on our Alberta farm.